This video is for you if you need help communicating with people who don't know you. There are many people you'll need to communicate with when you've been the victim of a crime, so it's very important you understand each other. In this video, we'll call people you'll be talking with, like police, lawyers, and judges, justice professionals. Communicating with justice professionals can be difficult if they don't understand what you're saying, or if you use a picture board or a communication device. And sometimes justice professionals can ask questions and say things that may be hard for you to understand. If you can, you should tell justice professionals what to do to make it easier for you to communicate with them. For example, you may want to ask them to speak slowly or to use everyday language when they talk to you. Don't be afraid to tell them when you don't understand what they're saying. If you use a picture or letter board, you could have written instructions to tell justice professionals how you point to things on your board. You may want to have someone who knows you and who you trust to help you communicate with justice professionals. This can be a family member, a friend, or someone who works with you. If you don't have a person to help you communicate, you can ask to have a communication intermediary. A communication intermediary is a person who's trained to help you communicate with justice professionals. They can help you understand questions you're asked, explain what people are saying, make sure that people understand what you're communicating, and tell people when you need to take a break. Sometimes the justice professionals may want to bring in a communication intermediary, even if you already have someone else who can help you. This is because they want to be sure that communication between you and justice professionals is correct, and in your words, not someone else's words. The justice professionals should pay for the communication intermediary. Sometimes a disability organization can help pay for this. The justice professional will contact the communication intermediary near where you live, or they may contact a speech-language pathologist if there's no intermediary in your area. The justice professional will arrange some meetings for you with the intermediary or speech-language pathologist. The justice professional will also attend these meetings to learn how you communicate. The intermediary will work with you to find out what kind of things will help you communicate with police and in court. They may ask if it's okay to talk with people who know you well to get their suggestions. After the meetings, the intermediary will tell the justice professionals what sort of things they can do to make communication easier for you. For example, ways to make it easier for you to understand questions that you're asked, if you need to use pictures or objects to help you communicate what you want to say, ways to reduce your stress and worry when you're in court, or how they can help you to communicate in the courtroom. The justice professionals will decide if you need an intermediary to help you in court. It's important for you to know that the communication intermediary can't talk about the crime with you. They will not give you advice or tell you what to do. The intermediary is only there to help with communication between you and the justice professionals.